That's right, I've got the best Hostinger coupon code right now, and you can grab it. Scan the QR code on screen or click the link below for quick access. I keep this Hostinger discount updated, so even if you're watching this a millennium from now, you can be sure it's still the best deal out there. What's important to know is that my Hostinger promo code applies to all 3 plans. To quickly break them down, Hostinger Premium is good enough for most users and even includes a free domain for a year. It covers all the basics the average user needs, like a fast website builder with AI, 25 gigabytes of SSD storage, and even email marketing. But if your project demands more features and resources, the Business Hostinger plan is a great option. In my opinion, and it gives you the best value with only a minimal price increase. You'll get better speeds with fast NVMe storage, access to e-commerce tools to scale your business more easily, and even AI for WordPress. And if you're running an extensive project, my Hostinger discount code also applies to the Cloud Startup plan. It includes everything the business plan offers, but doubles the resources at your disposal, like 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage, the number of websites you can create, and even comes with priority 24/7 support. So if you're scaling and dreaming big, the Cloud Startup plan is for you. Speaking of scaling big, Hostinger's AI assistant Cody is a massive help, especially for beginners, but users of all levels will find it useful. Honestly, it's one of the best AI tools I've tested so far. No wonder WordPress officially recommends Hostinger, and so do I. It offers excellent value, especially with the best Hostinger discount I have for you today. So go ahead and grab the biggest Hostinger coupon code by scanning the QR code or clicking the link below. Your wallet will thank you. I'm leaving a tutorial on how to use Hostinger on screen, so you can learn the ropes fast and use our Hostinger coupon to get any Hostinger plan you want for way cheaper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.